Planting onion starts is a great way to get jump start on spring planting. The best way to plant your onion starts, because they're going to look awful from the store. So soak them in a bowl of water for several hours. I soaked mine overnight. And then water them for the first few days. Water them every day and you'll have great onions. So this is what I mean. After watering, the roots kind of expose themselves on this onion, and this plant won't make it if the roots start becoming above ground or the soil washes away. So you just want to take a little more fresh compost and just lay it in there so the roots are covered. Onions like magnesium, so you want to add a little magnesium to the soil when you're planting.
In the form of Epsom salt. Go ahead, show them how much.
And then water that in good. So we're just checking these today to see if they need water. And again, 2 is okay to plant. If you need to do 2 together, not more than 2 together, and they'll kind of grow apart. Any more than that close together and they'll start absorbing nutrients and not do as well. But the biggest thing to plants is overwatering. More people will kill plants overwatering than underwatering. So if you think you're not sure if they need water, go ahead and wait a day until the next day and water. Because once they rot, once they start getting some mildew or bacteria from overwatering, then you can't save them. I had to show you guys this. I usually plant 1 or 2 onions together. 2 will work great. So I had Jamie help me, and he planted a bunch with 1. Then I saw 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5 at the end. 5 onions, not so good together. Jamie?
I don't know. I figured if 1 or 2's okay, then 4 or 5 is better.